Say good morning! Ang gulo ng buhok pa. Kagigising lang namin mga shots. Happy morning everyone! Today is Feb 2. Wow! Ang bilis ng panahon, Bibiana. 1 month. 1 month to go. It's your birthday na! Ay, Diyos ko niya, Marimar. You will be turning 1 year old. Ayan na. Happy 11 months old, my Bibiana today. Yes. You're growing up so fast. Holy moly. Yay! Anyway, kahapon di ko pala naalala. Wala pala yun. Wala tuloy tayong pabati doon sa ating Feb 1. But today, we will start our day. Thank you, Lord. And today is Sunday pala. Magsisimba ako later on. Are you going to church, Bibiana, with me? Yeah, but it's a bit noisy there, Bibiana. Hindi ko alam, baka mairita yung ano mo, tainga mo. Oh, come here. Mommy, come here, let's go. Say hi to the vlog. Say good morning, mga shots. Happy Sunday today, mga shots. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Lord, for this another day of our life. Thank you for all the blessings that we receive every day. Oh, no. Yana, baby. Chiko mo na yung ngipin ko. Baka may tinga tayo dito. Nakakain ko lang eh. Karating ko lang pala sa mga shots simbahan. Tapos kumain ako pagdating. Nagutom ako. Paano ba naman walang kain nung nagsimba kaya nagutom. So ngayon, makalat na naman. So maglinis tayo mga shots. Habang yung anakis ko na doon sa labas. Inano ng ate niya. Ay, grabe ang init today. Parang gusto kong magbabal sa swimming pool. Ang init, grabe. But anyway, maglinis tayo mga shots. Kasi yung bahay ko napakakalat talaga. Kalat yan. Uy, copyright tayo. Bata ka. Hey, happy afternoon mga chats. Oy, where you go? Wait lang. Okay, inang bayan. Inang bayan ka. Wait lang pa. Patayuin mo ako. Patawarin. Where you go? Say hi. Say hello. Look at me. Oh, no. Oh, no, baby. No. Not this one. This is not a toy. Oh, go, daddy. Come, let's have your milk. You want milk? Come on. Take a nap. Let's take a nap. Then we will go broom outside. Come on na. Outside na lang. Come on. No. We're not going outside yet, baby. Later. Ate, the drawing. Oh, show them, baby, ate. Show them. Oh, yung drawing ni ate. Oy. Umpisa tayo sa front. Wow. Saan na yung mga nakakulay? Ako, galing ni ate. May talent si ate. Uy, sexy. O, sino yan sexy? Nakabra.
No, nakabra.
Ano? Bakit ano ba yan?
Dress!
Oh, dress ba yan? Meron siyang ano. Oh, wow, pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. Wow. What's your talent, baby Yana? Oh,
Kumain.
wow, that's so cute. Wow, galing ate. What else? This one too? Sino yan? Si Malakas? Wow. Very good ate. Wow, sexy. Mahairy.
Mga dinodog show mo lang nga ako. Huwag mo na yan i-post.
Ah, wow. May padila. Sana all. Sino naman to? Wow. That's so pretty. Which one? Wala na? There's more? Oh, hindi pa nakulayan. Huwag ka magsasayang kung ano. Wow, ang gwapo ng Dr. Kwak Kwak. Gwapo ba yan? Wala na. Galing ate. Galing. Ba't na ganyan? Ay. Oh, what happened? Ang aking baby ay kagigising lamang. Wala pa ikaw mood, baby Yana? Huwag kang magulo. To the market. Oh, daddy.
We get your money from Netflix.
No, why? Ba't my baby Yana? Ay! Sleeping? Where's the chicken na? Kinain mo lang yung chicken, wala yung kanin. Ha?
This is a chicken video.
That's too big, babe. You have to shred a little. Tayo mga shots, ito lang yung pagkain ko. Kasi diet tayo. Ito kamuti to, inano ko lang parang in-steam ko. Nasunog nga lang. Tapos yung ulam nila, tinulang manok. What? Huh? I'm having a sweet potato.